Guys, good morning. Welcome to our channel. To this video, we're going to unbox the iTech Fusion Watch, Smartwatch. But before that, just stay tuned.
This is the iTech Fusion Smartwatch. It's water resistant, connected GPS sleep monitor, notification, sport mode, alarm, calorie tracker, barometer. It's got motion gesture, find phone, distant tracker, extended battery life, water resistant, clock, alarm, sleep monitor, and it's got some sport modes. It's got running, football, basketball, soccer, cycling, tennis, golf, and hiking. It's got Apple and Android adaptable.
So, we will open that now.
We'll open it now. You can see it has a very large screen. Charging cable. This is the watch. It's got a large screen, as you can see. It's got a rubber band, very comfortable.
Can you show me at the back, please? Alright.
This is the front. It fits. I have a big wrist, but as you can see, it fits pretty good. To charge the watch, you have to take the clip. It has two things right here. It connects with the battery on the back.
Show them the battery at the back.
Battery on the back, right there.
Alright.
You take the clip, you put it goes right there, connects with the battery, then you plug it in and you charge it for about an hour or so. About an hour and a half. It should be fully charged.
So, ito na siya guys. Na-charge na siya. So, ganito siya. May small button siya dito. Invisible. Pero when you touch it, ayun. Lalabas yung ano niya. And then, lalabas yung, ayun, for example, kung gusto niyo mag-exercise. Ayan. So, pagkita kayo dito. And then, yung miles. Ayan, set up. Ayan. And then, calories. So, ayun. So, yung oras na gusto kayong matulog. Set nyo, and then yung heartbeat nyo, and then for the sports and everything, if there is notification kagaya ng tawag or messages, ayan, lalabas siya dyan, magbibigay ng notification sa'yo. Ito yung phone mo set up. Ayan. So ganyan lang siya guys, stopwatch, and then if you will, kung gusto mo siyang patayin, and then ayan po. But before that, kailangan yung i-upload sa phone niyo, sa smartphone niyo, yung Q7. Ito yung ng watch, Q7. And then, pagkatapos, andun lahat ng information. So, hanapin niyo lang siya sa Play Store. Ayun. So, ayan, Play Store. And then, just type the Q7. Q7 Smart, and then just download. Ayan. May tatawag sa akin. Yung call ng asawa ko. So, it notifies me na may tawag yung asawa ko. And then, for example, kung may message naman, so, diba, ayan guys, lumabas yun din yung message niya. Ayun. So, ganun siya mag-work. Ayan. Kung gusto niyo pong mag-exercise, so pindutin niyo lang dito. Ayan. Steps, lalabas yung mga, pero dun, gano'n pala yung tinakbo niyo, ganyan, calories na nabawas, ganun. So, pero kailangan mo siyang iset sa smartphone mo. So, automatically mag-connect na siya dito sa watch mo. Ayun. So, yun po guys, yung iTake Fusion Smartwatch. Ayun, ito po siya. So, ganun siya mag-work. Ayan. Ayan po. Direng! So, diba, napaka-simple lang gamitin at saka yung price na is very reasonable. So, hindi siya masyadong mahal. Kaya, so that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like my channel. So, have a good night, everyone. Bye.